Stable support with the ability to roll across the work area with ease. With a comfortable fitting contour, the knee blades evenly displace weight and lessen pressure on the knees. The three-wheeled mobile base allows for a full 360 degrees of turning capability. The knee blades come with durable non-marring swivel casters that are rated at 80 pounds each for a total capacity of 480 pounds. These casters roll easily over most work surfaces. With the push of a button, you can go from knee blades to knee pads. The knee blades come with a tapered gel pad with a durable plastic outer shell and built-in Velcro strap. To remove the knee blades from the knee pad, simply push the black button on the lower front and pull up. And when it's time to kneel and glide, simply snap the knee blade back into place. The knee blades were designed to offer comfortable support and mobility over long project days. Here are just a few examples of how the knee blades can be used. If you have ever wanted to effortlessly move around the floor while doing those back-breaking jobs, then stop getting up and down and get a set of Milescraft knee blades.